Well, hey guys, I got a text from Mike Olison. Yeah, Mike Olison, you know that name. We're doing a custom project somewhere in Canada. One of the things that we get away with having periodic kilns that go back and forth is that we can do odd sizes and shapes. So this is a full brick that we got, that we got from one of our partners back east, that we glazed one face of it. So what we're trying to mimic is a full brick that's been glazed, and we are. It's a full brick that's been glazed. So this is kind of exciting. This is a test run. I believe the issue is going to be the issue will be the cooling. Again, the pretty cool product, guys. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully they'll text me when it comes out. All right, guys. Ciao. Yeah, we are a little shop. A little train that could. Bye-bye. I wanted to see the kiln doors open up on this, but we saw this yesterday. It's okay. Say hello. Hi. It's cool. It looks like there's no breakage. Pretty exciting. Whew, a little hot. Pretty cool. Any case, guys, we'll do one walk around. Okay, guys. Out.